Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Data Finder with the Black Creator by AVI. The Creating a Blocking App for Android project aims to empower users to effortlessly share their thoughts, experience and expertise through an intuitive and future-rich mobile application. Key feature of the app including the app offer an engaging and user-friendly interface that allows the bloggers to create, edit and publish their content with ease. It provides a seamless writing experience optimized for the mobile devices. User can form their blog post using a rich text editor that supports various text style, headings, lists and media embedding. This ensuring the visualization appealing and structured content. Bloggers can enhance their posts by seamlessly integrating images, videos and audio content. The app supports media upload and easy placement within the blog. The app providing offline drafting capabilities allowing bloggers to work on their content even without an internet connection. Posts are automatically synchronized when online. Bloggers can publish their posts directly from the app and share them on social media platforms, expanding their reach and audience. Flow diagram. In this activity is the first user intro activity, then and data of our blog website, then go to the sign up using mail ID or login, then view the block, then block of the then edit the blocking and using the bold icon. All the details in the all the editing options are in the posting the blocker, then creating a block, then create the block, clicking the submit. After submitting, if you want to edit means edit, otherwise publish it, and then after publishing update or delete the block. Using this all projects are running by the blocker API using of our web app. This is the app of our block apps. This is the first page. Create a block like this, then click the create block, then go to the sign up page, then enter the mail ID or password or create account in for the sign up the process. Example, wait sign up. Then this is the project of sign up of the project. Then if you want to add the new creating the files, then clicking the new post, then enter about the Madurai means Madurai, then that is the title. Then to enter the Madurai is famous for Madurai is famous for jasmine, like that. If you enter, then click publish means, then confirm it. Then if you want to edit means, then view, then click here, then view means, then go to the view page. Wait, it is loading. Otherwise, then if you want to edit means, then editing. Another name of Madurai is publish. If you click, this means if you viewed by the blocker, like that. It's getting loading. Come back. This is our project. Published, it says filter options are there. Published all this. Thank you.